Welcome to question 6. Okay, so what we're going to do now is you can see that there's some instructions here. Right, what it is, you're telling the computer to draw this shape that you see here. Now, we have to tell the computer everything. So, for example, forward N just represents something like 35 millimeters. And backward N, obviously. Left T would be an angle. So, for example, that could be turn left 90 degrees, turn right 180 degrees, and pen up will lift the pen to stop writing on the page, and pen down, lower the pen. So, for example, if there's an instruction that says pen up forward 10 millimeters, if you don't put the pen down, the floor turtle will move 10 millimeters, but it won't draw the line. Right, now, so what we've got to look at, it says a student has written a set of instructions to make the floor turtle draw the above shape. Now, it says although the first 4 instructions are correct, the set of instructions will not draw the shape exactly as shown. 1 instruction has been missed out and the 4 are incorrect. Okay, so you need to find the missing instruction. So all you've got to do is look at this. So the first 2, pen down, left 90. So here we are, start. Pen down, the pen has turned left 90 degrees. So the second instruction says forward 15. So it goes 15 millimeters. Okay, so obviously it's drawn this line because there's pen down. So then it says forward 15. Okay, so it's turned left. So that means forward 15, as you can see here. Sorry, I used my finger to point it out, but you can't see my finger. Right, then it says right 90, pen up, then forward 20. Okay, so it's turning right. So right here, pen up, and then forward. Now you can see the mistake here is that it says pen up and forward. Okay, so obviously if you've not told it pen down, it won't move. Okay, sorry, it will move, but it won't draw the shape. Okay, so now I think you should be able to work the rest out for yourself. What I suggest is maybe you get a piece of paper and then draw the shape and see what the incorrect instructions are. Okay, so it says identify 4 incorrect instructions to state the correct instructions to be used. Okay, so as I've identified with one of you, it said pen up, but it hasn't said pen down, and it's telling it to go forward, right 90, and then pen up, but there's 2 pen ups and no pen down. Okay, so there's so what I suggest you do is, like I said, using those instructions, get a piece of paper and try and draw the shape. Okay, and make sure that when you say pen up, you say pen down, because if not, it won't draw anything. So pretend to be the robot.